85% of network failure is due to dirt and contamination, and cleanliness is a priority for network performance. The AFL MPO One-Click Cleaner is an easy-to-use option for cleaning MPO and MTP type connectors. To use the AFL MPO One-Click Cleaner, pull the tab of the dust cap, insert the MPO connector, and push to advance the optical-grade cleaning tape for an effective but gentle cleaning. Cleanliness is a priority to keep the network performance optimal. Users can expect approximately 500 cleans per unit. This tool is a must-have for field technicians dealing with MPO and MTP connectors, and it's a great addition to any cleaning kit. To purchase the AFL MPO One-Click Cleaner, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-500-0347. FIS is a stocking AFL distributor of one-click cleaner tools.